Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Tesla Bot 2.0, officially known as Optimus Gen 2, is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a serious leap toward real-world humanoid robots. When Elon Musk first announced Tesla's humanoid robot vision, many critics dismissed it as hype. But in 2025, Tesla Bot 2.0 is proving that Musk may have been right all along. Unlike traditional industrial robots limited to factories, Tesla Bot 2.0 is designed to operate in human environments, using advanced AI, vision systems, and neural networks derived from Tesla's self-driving technology. This makes it one of the most intelligent and practical humanoid robots ever built. What makes Tesla Bot 2.0 so smart? The biggest upgrade in Tesla Bot 2.0 is its AI brain. Tesla uses the same full self-driving FC neural networks that power its cars, adapted for humanoid movement. This allows the robot to understand its surroundings in real time, recognize objects, avoid obstacles, and learn tasks through observation, just like humans. The bot relies on computer vision instead of LiDAR, which makes it cheaper and more scalable. With multiple cameras and AI-driven perception, Tesla Bot 2.0 can identify tools, walk naturally, pick up fragile objects, and perform repetitive or dangerous tasks with precision. Major improvements over the first version. Tesla Bot 2.0 is lighter and faster, more human-like in movement, stronger and more energy efficient, smarter at decision-making. Tesla claims Optimus Gen 2 can now walk more naturally, balance better, and even perform delicate actions like sorting objects or folding clothes. These improvements push the robot closer to mass-market readiness, real-world use cases that matter. Elon Musk envisions Tesla Bot 2.0 being used in manufacturing and warehouses, logistics and delivery, elderly care and assistance, household chores, dangerous environments, mines, disaster zones. In Tesla factories, early versions of Optimus are already being tested for repetitive tasks. This proves Tesla Bot is not just a demo robot, it's being prepared for real economic impact. Will Tesla Bot replace human jobs? This is the most debated question in America. Tesla Bot 2.0 is designed to replace dangerous, repetitive, and low-skill labor, not creative or leadership roles. However, experts believe humanoid robots like Optimus could reshape the workforce by reducing labor shortages, increasing productivity, lowering operational costs. Elon Musk argues that humanoid robots could eventually create an age of abundance where basic goods and services become cheaper and more accessible. Why Tesla Bot could be bigger than Tesla cars? Some analysts believe Tesla Bot could become Tesla's most valuable product ever, even surpassing its EV business. Why? The global labor market is worth trillions. Robots can work 24/7. Demand spans every industry. If Tesla succeeds in mass-producing Optimus at scale, it could redefine automation just like the iPhone redefined smartphones. The future of Tesla Bot 2.0. Tesla Bot 2.0 shows that humanoid robots are no longer science fiction. With AI improving rapidly, Optimus could become a common sight in homes and workplaces within the next decade. Elon Musk's bold prediction is becoming clearer. Robots will be as common as cars, and Tesla Bot 2.0 might be the robot that starts it all. Final thought. Tesla Bot 2.0 proves that Elon Musk wasn't dreaming. He was building the future. The real question now isn't if humanoid robots will change the world, but how fast. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.